Google can help you make money from your website, blog, or any other kind of online presence. It's called Google AdSense, and it's a program that tries to make money for everyone. Advertisers get new customers or sales through the AdWord program. Google gets money to show those ads, and you get money when people click on them. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Google Ads to make money. But before we start our video, please click the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Google will show ads that are related to what is on the web page by using search engine technology. For example, if a person is on a website about the latest golf tournament, Google will show them ads for golf clubs or golfing clothes. When someone clicks on one of those ads, the owner of that site gets paid. This kind of advertising is often called as cost per click or CPC. Major benefits. You might no longer even notice banner ads. We know how to filter them out because we know a lot about the internet. There's also software that can block banner ads, which can be very annoying and hurt the number of people who visit your website. But Google AdSense is different because the ads aren't as annoying as big banner ads and the content is relevant to the page, so it has a bigger effect. Google Ads are another way to make a good living. You can make thousands of dollars every month if you have the right mix of traffic, content, and users. You can't just put Google Ads on your site, sit back, and wait for the money to start coming in. That's not how it works. Like anything else in business, you have to put your time into it to get a return you can count on. How it works. If you have a blog or website that gets like 100,000 visitors every month, that's more than 1 million people every year. Think about how that could affect ad revenue. You have had 100,000 people see your ad, the views. Your click-through rate, CTR, is 1%, which is about average. 1% of a million is 1,000. If the CPC for the ad is $0.01, you make $10. If the cost per click of the ad is $1, you earn $1,000. There's a big difference between the two. And obviously, most ads don't pay out at the $1 per click rate. Most likely, you will see a rate between these two, which could cost you hundreds of dollars each month. The keyword of the ad, which is what makes the ad show up, has an effect on how much the CPC is, and you can use this information. Maximize income. Whether you already have a blog or website and want to make money with it, or you want to start a blog just to make money with AdSense, there are several ways to make more money. Use search engine optimization, writing to make sure that your content has many keywords as possible. Write more. The more you write about your topic, the more keywords Google can find and use to show ads. Write a lot. It's all about having more content, and the more recent it is, the better. Post useful, accurate content. When you post keyword-stuffed garbage, it's hard to reach and doesn't make people want to come back. You want your site to be easy to remember so that people will visit it. Find a niche. It's fun to talk about football, but a lot of people do it. A different story is about a less popular subject, such as a collection of movie soundtracks. Don't bring in a lot of bad traffic. It's easier than you might think to get a lot of traffic, but if it is not qualified and no one is there to read your content, it will be a flash in the pan. It will also change your CTR. Google Analytics is a good tool to use. Google gives you free tools to figure out how to make money with your website. Ads by competitors. When you put ads on your site, competition is one of the biggest problems you will face. Depending on what kind of site you have, you might start seeing ads for things that are similar to what you're selling or offering. For example, if your site is all about drop shipping a certain product, like Disney toys or snow globes, you might suddenly see ads for those products that send your visitors away from your site. This will hurt business. Is there anything that can be done? Yes, Google knew this would be a problem. So, it lets you block content from up to 500 URLs. But it can be hard to figure out who to block until you start seeing those ads. Even worse, because of how AdSense serves up content, you might never see those ads. Also, if you use AdSense, you can't directly click on these links to see where the ads send you. It's a clear violation of the rules for using AdSense. but you can find the link or URL to block by right-clicking on the ad if you happen to see it. This is up to a little bit of luck. The best way to make a list might be to do a Google search for the kinds of products or services you sell and write on the top 50 URL that come up. That's a good way to stop people from clicking on the ads from sites that clearly compete with you. And also please subscribe to our channel SmartYourBiz. Our mission is to show you how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelance step by step. From your first step to your first customer. SmartYourBiz. Stop dreaming. Make it happen.